Hello everyone. I am doing a quick video here on your quiz for this week. I apologize for the weird view of kind of seeing my top left-hand corner of my screen. The reason why is because I need to see my screen as I'm talking to you, and so and if I just do the webcam, then it'll show a big picture of me on my screen and I can't actually click out of it to see my screen, which I need to talk about, which is your quiz for week 2. I want to give a quick overview, so just ignore whatever you're seeing up in this corner. And well, it's not the corner, it's the whole screen. It's essentially the top left hand corner of my screen. That's enough about that. Ultimately, I just want to go over your quiz this week. Um, you're going to have some questions on geography. So I encourage you to be able to match things like the coastal plains and coastal hills, Central Mountains, Jordan Valley, Galilee, so forth, with um, essentially like a description of that area. A remarkably fertile area with coastal rainfall, for instance. What is that? You're going to match that to the proper region. So you're just very simply being able to match the geographical regions to or city to its description. All right. Then you're going to match a group with its description. Some of the groups would be like Pharisees, Herodians, scribes, things like that. So I'm not going to give you all of them, but those types of groups. So when you're doing your reading and you get to groups like that, um, make sure to pay attention. And all you're simply doing is matching it with a brief description. So like what group built a temple out at Mount Gerizim? What group were professionals who could read and write? What group practiced guerrilla warfare, also known as the Zealots? You see what I'm saying? So those would be types of questions, and then you're going to match a term with its description. Some of the terms would be like patron, or I actually don't know how to, a manumission, citizenship. Did I say that one? Free cities. So you're going to match descriptions with terms. So a description would be, one of the descriptions would be like a title taken by Augustus when he became emperor. Which term that I just mentioned potentially matches with that? So all that to say is like if you just pay good attention to those terms and know what they are, you should do fine. So this quiz hopefully is a little easier than others. It's essentially if you've read the chapter and understand the terms that are associated with the chapter, um, you should do really well this week. So yeah, you got the geographical terms or regions. You've got groups of people, like I mentioned, Pharisees, Herodians, Samaritans. What groups are in your reading this week? Um, and again, this is all on the intertestamental period. And then finally, uh, terms with descriptions. So terms like free cities, son of God, manumission, patron, citizenship. Match those with their definition or description. Okay. Godspeed. Love to you all.